first one we're gonna do is an inchworm to a push-up. Feel free to drop to the knees for the push-up if you need to, all right? 4 seconds.
2, 1.
Let's go. Walk it out. Notice I'm loading that plank position, all right? My head comes through my shoulders. I hit that push-up, and I walk all the way. Notice the elbow position for the push-up, okay? About 45 degrees away from the body. We get caught often in these weird patterns with a big elbow flare. I always tell people, if you had to push someone away who's like scary coming at you, you probably wouldn't push them away like this, right? So your strongest pushing position is about a 45-degree angle away from your body. Nice, 10 seconds to go. We should probably be able to get in 1 or 2 more, depending on the pace. I'm gonna try and squeeze in 1 more. Set the bar. Yeah, beautiful timing. All right, next up, we're gonna add a little pull to the push. So